I think I've given myself pink eye from the sun cream. It's hey campers! It's 6:30 in the morning. We're about to go on this walk. It takes 4 hours. Joe wants to do it, and I'll be glad I've done it once I've done it, but I'm hating life at the moment. This is the white people things I don't enjoy. The white people things I enjoy is football, packet and going to the pub. But I know I'm going to enjoy it once I've done it. So I'm just telling myself that. Apart from that, I'm having to stay on a top bunk and I keep dropping everything. So I've lost my plug now, but I know where it is somewhere. No, my butt plug's still in, the plug I used to charge my phone.
Oh, fair enough.
Yeah, I don't use that one because I'm tight. Right, so the start of this hike, we have to walk along these.
Oh, it's gonna fuck on this hike then, let's go.
But it's alright because we got our guide with us. Joe, show us the guide.
Oh yeah.
Google. It's safe though, Mum, okay, don't worry. It's what it says.
AI.
Well, alright, and look, if a train's coming, I'll just stop it. Okay? Hello, ducky. Oh, hello, ducky.
We've got about a 2k walk already.
Yeah, I'm just doing a little prayer. I got my St. Christopher with me, anyway.
Where is this? Got your ass. Sorry. I've got your camera out. We'll edit that now.
No, we're keeping that in. Mr. I wear a crucifix. Tap water, you keep drinking.
Well, I drank tap water once, mate. That's the first time I've done that on
Hey!
any of my travels. So.
It only takes one!
I don't quite know why I've done that, to be honest. That was a stupid moment.
Silly boy.
It probably would have helped.
So far, so good. Got a bit of a wobble on this. There we go, that should do it. Do you like my hat, boys? Just spotted 2 monkeys on the bridge. Gonna have to get my knife out because I will stab one if I have to. There's 2 monkeys up here. One sec. Oh, stab a monkey up. Let's go, boys. Let's go. You want some? The British are coming, mate. Up the raw. Yeah, that's what I thought. I'm not even joking. You kind of have to do that. Wow. Look at this view though, bruv. Are you ready? Are you ready? I said, are you ready? Look at that. I was literally ready to stab a monkey.
Oh, Christ.
Righto. Bah, 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 bah. Hey?
Alright, you fucking cocksucker.
So, apparently, get to this train station, and the right direction is another 10-minute walk north, and then you start ascending. But everyone says there's a load of scammers, so that's why I'm ready. Box a man up, mate. Chick bits. Righto, I'll turn the camera back on when I see some. Love an argument with a scammer. I am a scammer. Send me your card details. Joking, I'm joking. So, typical males, didn't read instructions, went the wrong way for about 10 minutes. But, this is the way. Wow.
Probably part of some sort of, I won't say ritual, but
You ain't been to the mountain once. Shouting monk when you step in my temple. Bit of gets. FATMANs. Right, so we continue, we move, we go, we grow. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Please stick to the rivers and the stream that you're used to. So now the walk begins.
Hold on, stop then, stop. Whoa, you can do my rubbish bag as well. Right.
I can be your rubbish bag, baby. Ow!
That's mate, stop high.
Through the plantations, boy. Wow, look at that termite. Termite hill. Mound. Butt plug. Ah. Nearly there, apparently. I am high. Not like that. But yeah, not much longer. Wow, look at that, lads. Hello, doggy. Wow. Well, it beats Benmead Forest. Wow. Look, boys. I'm going to sit on that bench and have some water.
No worries, mate.
Look at my man go. Hey! Right, so, literally, I know, at the top of this mountain.
Brother, my bag.
Your bag's alright.
Oh, is it fuck? Oh my god, that needs drying out. Oh, you're fucking hell. You're taking your own bag next time.
I knew this was happening. I thought I don't want a sweaty bag, so I said to Joe, I said you carry it yesterday, I'll carry your bag today. Alright, look. He walks all the way up here every day. Very fit man. Yeah.
Coconuts, lemons, limes, passion fruit. What's this one again?
Fruit apple.
Fruit taffel?
Yes, fruit apple.
I've not heard
Fruit
of that.
apple. You don't know a fruit apple? Uncultured swine, this one. He's.
Yeah, okay. You are quite knowledgeable and stuff.
By the way, look at my back.
Don't even need. Yeah, that's awful, mate.
Hey, look.
I'm sorry, but look at this guy. Look at that. But fair play, man. That's
You're going to lose weight otherwise, are you?
exactly.
And I got up here faster than him.
Don't come this way. That'd be really cool.
Look, little doggy. Hello, doggy.
How much are you, bro? So 1,000, yeah?
Tiny boy.
1,000, yeah?
Tiny boy.
I'm in a good mood today. I'm in a good mood today.
It's because you woke up early, mate. See, you've seized the day and you're in a better mood.
I'm always in a good mood. What are you about?
He's fucking not. He moans so much. I thought my dad was bad. Love you though, Pops.
Well, I'm going to give him 2,000, alright?
Okay. He has followed me all the way up the mountain. Well, followed us. Says a lot, doesn't it? Bitches come and go, but they love me every day. Yeah. Ah. I'm blowing, boys. Just threw my cigarettes away. So hopefully it's a start to getting healthier. I got that to climb. This is 40k, by the way. I think I got about 1.5 left, but it's so steep. I'm blowing. But it's cool, we move. Joe's all the way up there. I said, don't wait for me. Yo! Keep going! Keep going! Yeah, right. No more cigarettes. Healthiness starts now. So I made it to the first viewpoint, as they call it. Oh, I had a proper epiphany moment back there. I sensibly disposed of my cigarettes, didn't litter. Got to stop smoking. If I want to get fighting again, that's the first thing that needs to stop. We're going to be doing 5k runs every morning. How can I expect myself to get fit if I'm still smoking all the time? And you know, I want to live a long time, be around for my friends and family. Smoking's not going to do that, is it? So it's nice to kind of have that these thoughts while you're doing these sorts of things. And then, ladies and gentlemen, we made it. Look at this.
Absolutely stack it, mate. Can't get over this mountain. Where's the bungee jump then?
I'm being sensible, Mum, don't worry. Wow, man.
So James, if I'm right, mate, that was where we was at. That is where roughly we were yesterday, yeah?
Well done, Jojo.
See that? that little bit like looks like dust area of that mountain. That's that viewpoint that we
Yeah.
were at.
So just there is where we were yesterday.
Which is Little Adam's Peak.
Yeah, because that is the big pool place.
Yeah. Oh yeah, cool.
So we walk, start there, walk all the way up here yesterday. That was really easy.
Oh, look at that. There's a nice
This is some proper. Oh, I'm wonky. Proper jungle shit, this place. Woohoo. Like to see Drummond try and hide up a tree here from the 5-0. I'm being very careful because if I hurt myself before I get fight camp, I'd actually be devastated. So I'm being sensible. No more beer either or anything, sit and play cards or watch a film or something. But beer, man, the beer's shit as well, but it's just because I'm white and British, I'm like, yeah, that's beers. So that's got to stop. Size of that root. That's a root K now. But yeah, that's the update. I was sensible and followed my gut. And I've actually come down steps. Joe's decided to try and walk down a mountain like that vertical. It would be a black diamond if we were skiing. And I know my skiing. Anyway. Yeah. I can see the bottom. I wonder if I beat him. Probably not, but I reckon he's fallen and I haven't yet. Touch wood. Save me, Jesus. So we've done this. I'm going to go get some breakfast. And then we found a church because I said it's been a long time, so I want to go to church. That's a hard bit done. All of this is all tea. It's all a tea plantation. Back in my day, the plantation was full of stuff. But I ain't gonna say that because I get reported. Yeah, I'm sorry. I've not drank enough water. Oh my God, he's getting naked. That was sick, boys, let's not lie.
I look better now.
Look at that, boys. Mad, isn't it?
So we can't jump off this one, unfortunately.
Look at that fly bed, lads. Go down. Get your head under. He's a fucking wanker. Go for it. Go on, do it. Fuck that, man. Oh, what a man. What a man. Shame you don't know how to talk to girls, but what a man. Stop, a little more. Yeah, there you go. Oh, wow. Right, there you go. Oh my god! What a fucking catch! No! What a man! What a man!
I wonder what the quality is. So cold right now. Oh, it's fucking fresh, isn't it? Oh, look at that view, man, behind it. Look at that. Hello, mate. Chilling, brother. You're still my fucking...
Yes, people. So we're leaving Ella. I've been ready for about an hour. We would have been here a long time before if someone wasn't singing in the shower. But at least he looks this good, you know, so it's worth it. My guy. Where are we going now?
We're going to go Nuwara Elia because we can't go all the way to Kandy on the scenic train because of the landslide. It won't be fixed for 6 months.
Wasn't caused by me, by the way.
So Nuwara Elia, and then probably likely going to have to get a tuk-tuk to Kandy. We'll spend the night, and then yeah, from there we're going to go to, is it Singaria? Tomorrow, which is like the main attraction, in my opinion, in Sri Lanka. So yeah, and then we've got about 5 days to do whatever.
Fucking get me out of this place. Yeah. Sassy day. Anyone want a KFC? Right, are you going to help it or am I?
Painful, very painful.
But we're together.
Travelling around Sri Lanka is one of the worst. They got no system in place really. They got a couple of coaches, but difficult to find the routes.
But it would be great if you came on a holiday and stayed in one spot.
Oh yeah.
It would be a lovely place for a holiday, wouldn't it?
They haven't really worked out the sort of travelling around how people do it. Trains take too long and the coaches.
Wow, sorry Jojo.
But on that, that does look good though.
I think what we need is less sacred animals, more bus passes, right? Right. After that ordeal, so the train, which was supposed to be, we were told 2 hours, 5 hours into the journey, we're only halfway. And then the train stops because it didn't go any further. So then we had to get out, get tuk-tuk to this little town centre, had a coffee, and then had to have a bloody 4-hour taxi journey to Kandy, which is where we are now. My bed feels like I'm in a coffin. Mark would love it, I know. A little netting. Cheeky boy. The views are good though. And oh, so stuck. Normally I'm alright with heights, yeah. It's only because I'm tired. It's not because I'm getting old and I'm getting scared of things, alright? But look at this, boys. We're like halfway up that thing. And then let's look down. Oh, also, obviously I had my hair highlighted before I left, and everyone's telling me I look like a gimp now because of all the sun and sea salt. So, is that elephant part of the KKK? Mad. Yeah. So, all the girls said use citric acid, right? Or like lime juice or lemon juice. I can't get that, so I've got actual limes. So I've been washing my hair with actual limes, but I don't have a comb. So, and now I've got a load of pulp in my hair, so it just looks like I've got bogies everywhere. But this is the bathroom. Not too bad, not too many ants this time. My favourite thing. Very nice. But tomorrow, I think we're staying in the spot for at least 2 nights. So I can upload the first video. I'm just gonna shave it off, I'm fed up with this. Yeah, I'm gonna upload the first video, upload the second video, upload the third and fourth, edit the third and fourth. I'm so tired. So that's all for